Hello everybody, this is your captain speaking. I don't know why I said it like that. My name is Paul Andrew, or Mr. Paul Andrew on the socials if you want to connect with me, and welcome on board the SQLBits flight to Farnborough. We'll be arriving at our destination in March of 2024. The forecast at that destination is going to be integration pipelines, where I'll take you from the fundamentals to about level 300 in a full day of training. The breakdown for that day will be these 12 coherent modules, plus labs that you can take away and learn from and get hands-on with. Now, in that day, we'll focus on the mature offering that Microsoft gives us, Azure Data Factory, for those integration pipelines. But those skills are very easily transferred to Synapse Analytics and also to Microsoft Fabric. I'll give you everything that you need to take to the clouds in your own data solutions and projects to orchestrate everything that you might need to do using those integration pipelines. So, window blinds up, tray tables up, fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be an intense ride. Hope to see you there. Thank you.